Okay, this is called Apple Hotel. And you kind of got like apple-shaped swimming pool right here. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna walk down to the beach, and then we're gonna walk out into the main area as well. So yep, Apple and Apple. I'll show you where I stayed as well. So we'll come right over there right now. Hello. And it was right here. And this is one of the rooms in Apple. So what I'm gonna do is we'll start here. And yep, I'm in Thailand. I'm usually in Macau. And this will be one of the first Thailand videos of a series of a road trip. And I'll show you some of the hotels as well. 2023, COVID is over and we're on a road trip. I'm with a good friend of mine. We're gonna be doing lots of different cities all along the coast, not too far from Bangkok. So stay tuned and check it all out. Okay, let's head on out. Kind of cool space. So I had this room on the corner here. And we're gonna go on out and show you how the street looks like and also where the beach is at. Pretty nice little places in here. Oh wow. Okay, so this is actually the front place. This is a really nice Thai style, like the way the I've been inside, not this one but other ones that look like this, and just the way the air moves through them is amazing. So this is actually called Big Apple Bed and Pool. So right here, room for rent, and there's a phone number there, and that's the address. And the beach is very close. So what I'm gonna do is just walk down towards the beach. You can also see some of these other hotels as well. And we're gonna come down that way and then show you what the ocean looks like. But you can see it right there, so we'll be there right now. Okay, so here we are. This is the end of the street. And then you can see the ocean is out there a little bit, quite a bit. And the town is way down that way, towards those tall buildings. And so yeah, this would be a good place. You could walk kind of endlessly down in any direction, I guess, from here. And there you go. And you got some hotels right up here as well, and that was our road, right down that road. So yeah, so if you stay at that Apple Hotel, this is basically where you'd come out at the beach, and you could walk into the downtown right over there, or you could also go down the main road. I'll also show you a little bit of what the main road looks like as well. So now we're back at the hotel right here, Apple Hotel. Next we're going to walk down to that space down there, all the way down to the main road. And then also we're just going to show you too, so that's where we were just at, was right at that beach. So the beach access is really close to here. And we're just going to go all the way up there. So you get a little taste of what exactly is around here, and from this context of this hotel. Some other kind of cool stuff in here too. Okay, let's pop up over there. Okay, we're coming up to the main road. It's the cannabis store, seaweed cannabis store. Okay, so now we're up at the top. And basically across the street there's a 7-Eleven. And this is the main road of Hua Hin. So it's basically where all the through traffic comes. And that's basically what it looks like. And over there's an overpass that goes over to a mall, Blueport, and we're on Hua Hin 83. So that's basically Hua Hin 83. guess I call it Sukhumvit 83. So we're basically directly down that way. And I don't quite have all my references yet, but there's like 2 malls, and I think that the other one is over there maybe, or it's down past this blue port. I think it's way down past the blue port. Established 2011. Feels recent to me. So I remember when stuff was established. Yeah, I guess I've been coming to Thailand since the 1990s, so. But actually, I guess now that's already been 12 years. Anyways, this is the main road. I'm just gonna poke my camera down another side street. You got lots of little side streets everywhere. And let me see, this one looks like it's a private one. So it's a private one all the way down, private property, no entry, and hotel. Okay. So anyways, we were just gonna go down there and then we'll end it, just to make the video a little bit longer. So actually that's Blueport. Sorry, that overpass up there is Blueport. And we were on Soy 83 at the hotel, and we're just gonna check out some of the stuff on the street. And I just wanna poke the camera down one of those, one of these side streets, but I think this is gonna be another hotel. The hotel, so basically they got theirs all the way down, so if you're at that beach down there you can also see the ocean from that angle as well. And now we have a street sign right here, and this will be the end of the video. I just wanted to give a little bit of context just so you can kind of see where we are and what's around the hotel. So here's another little Soy 81. And that would also go all the way down to the beach as well. You can see it all the way down. And yeah, people park their motorbikes. I think you could also stop along the way if you have a car or rental or a bike, especially a bike. Most people rent bikes. Okay. Okay, so that was the main road. So I guess if you stayed there, you could easily get to stuff on the main road. Just follow that road down. You could also walk directly to that beach and just basically walk up and down either direction as well. So there you go. First video on this road trip of Thailand. I've been to Thailand many times, and I was even filming here last year as well, but I was in Phuket in southern Thailand. And this trip we're basically going to be around Hua Hin and kind of stick around the coastline around Bangkok. So anyways, that's where we stayed on the first night. I'll be traveling with a friend of mine who I'm going to meet up later. All right. Another one from Thailand. You just saw another spot, and we're going to be doing lots more Thailand, so keep on coming back and checking it all out. And I got lots of videos. Usually I'm in Macau, but of course all of these are in Thailand. Enjoy them. Yeah.